Let's see how to select any rectangular area in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, you'll notice that whenever you try to select a particular text in Microsoft Word, for example, you would like to select text vertically, you will have to go through the entire text horizontally first, since it highlights by paragraph or by line. However, one thing you can do to highlight your text vertically, for example, without crossing this entire line right here, is by holding the Alt key on your keyboard while selecting whatever you want to select. Now let's go ahead and try that out. And just like that, you'll notice that we can now highlight or select text in a rectangular manner. And you can also make changes to your highlighted text, just like that, and many more. And that is how you can select text in a rectangular area in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.